Frankly, I don't think we're going to have any trouble uniting as a party. There is definitely a lot of work to do, but, we're so excited about the grassroots energy and enthusiasm we've built, drove tens of thousands of miles around the state. And it shows when you look at the map of the counties that we won. We did feel like we were coming up against a lot of Democratic infrastructural support for a 26-year state senator, so I'm actually really proud of the fact that we currently are leading by over 40,000 votes. The thing that I am actually the most interested in, and that I think has John Cornyn freaking out so bad, was turnout, and how record-setting it has been, and how we're seeing a new day. I'm a data person, and I'm used to being underestimated, and I'm used to taking on tough fights and winning. So all I can tell you is that we're seeing the same thing in the data that John Cornyn is seeing that's making him so nervous, for him to meddle in a Democratic primary for the first time in nearly 4 decades. I mean, he knows he's in trouble. That we are a state that doesn't put kids in cages. We are ready to pass universal background checks and try to keep our schools safer. And we are ready to not be last place in the country for access to healthcare coverage. So, I actually don't think it's going to be that hard to spread the message to people that their leadership, not alone John Cornyn, but including John Cornyn in a big way, is failing us. We have an economic crisis. We have a public health crisis. And, they set us up before the pandemic, economically and healthcare wise, to not be able to handle these crises. They really set us up for failure in this perfect storm of events. And I think that it's not really that difficult to show people that.
Maine, you told Senator Cornyn, pack it up, Buttercup.
It's a phrase that has resonated with people because he is such a spineless bootlicker, and we are ready for him to hit retirement.